Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to see about Microsoft's AutoGen. Don't mind my voice because I'm not feeling well. So I'm going to teach what is AutoGen, why they released, and what all things you can make use of AutoGen for. So let's get started with. So AutoGen, it is multi-agent again, agentic AI that you can create multiple agents to make them communicate with each other. It is similar to other agent AI frameworks and package, but Microsoft have released to have like conversational, iterative, and basically for the other tools that they have personally, like Teams, those things, to interact with them, just created AutoGen. Agentic types that they are like offering services for user proxy agents that human can actually have interact with a lot of proxy agents they can create with, and assistants they can make a code executor agent. I mean the code base you can create the IDE, you can just access like cursor like that. And I mean, to communicate properly, agent can actually instruct any IDE platform to write code for you. So you can create your own agents for that, and custom agents that you can build on your own. For example, let's say like I just going to build a tool that will tell me the companies that I can invest, which will give me good returns. I can build an agent for that. A tool, simple tool, which will just go and browse for me, and the stocks and all, like how it is actually performing in past 5 years, and I can just get the good amount of the list of companies which is doing good, and with that I can just make my invest basically. So that I can create. So there are like a lot of custom agents that you can create on your own based on your experience or idea or things that you need. Yeah. And conversation patterns. So bot basically anything you can instruct. Agent is something it will ask your instruction, right? You have to give instructions. It can't just think on its own. You have to like program in such a way that it will listen to you. So bot basically two-way communication, like you just give and it replies back. Group chats, because you are about to create multi agents. Autogen is for that. And sequential chat, in the sense like I instruct agent A, and that agent A which will go and interact with the agent B, or A to C, A to D, like that. So that is also okay. And nested chat is also possible. So there are like a lot of conversation patterns that they are offering, which I didn't hear before. Like the other agents that is giving this particularly conversation patterns and all. I've not heard of that, but this is new for me, and it is actually useful for anybody, like nested chat and all. It will be very useful for anybody who's working with like 100 people, like support, working in support. It will be very useful for you. So yes, and I'll just give one live simulation. Don't mind me going fast because I have to do, but uh, AutoGen, which I came across, which seems really useful. So I'm just giving the heads up here. So don't mind me going fast. Okay, sorry about that. I'm not actually well. So I'm just going to give, simple simulation here. Just I'm going to start simulation because the application here I'm just trying to simulate is user wants to analyze sales data and create a visualization. Hmm. So user analyze this sales data and create a bar chart showing monthly revenue. With this, I gave to the agent. Just analyze a data from the sales data that I gave, and just give me some overview about it. Like what are the revenue? Why am blabbering? Okay, I think I'm about to die. Assistant will just take your instruction And it responds back by saying, I'll help you analyze the data and create a visualization. Let me write Python code to process the data and generate the chat. It is replying me back. Basic is like you just use any LLMs, anything offered from Microsoft that you can do. And here is a code which is writing for me, and it just wrote a code which we saw already. Like it can actually write or access any programming language that you instruct it to. You assign task for agents, right? So yeah, that. Um, if you have any doubt, just comment it below. I'm ready to answer. So don't mind me, like don't mind any of the like timing and all. Just put it. When I'm seeing, I'll just respond back. So this is like executing. I mean, in the background, it is executing it. User proxy code executed successfully. Yes, it is responding back with the results like revenue growth from 15K to 22K. So it just gave me the data based on the uh, information which I gave. And the assistant is like finally telling me that analysis is completed. The data shows a positive trend with 46% of revenue growth from Jan to March. So that's it. So this is like simple, walkthrough of simple simulation which I made with two agents. One agent is like getting my instruction, which is my chat, and it is instructing in a code base to write a code for me in order to get the result back. And the final assistant, it is giving me the final results of revenue percentage, which I asked before. So totally two agents, a chatbot and a code base agent. Yes. So like you can have like 100 agents also if you're having like perfect use case for it. But maximum 5 agents will do most of the job that we are asking for. So vibe code it. It can actually play well. So I don't hesitate to wipe code and don't have the guilt of coding, just asking Cursor or Gemini anything. It is okay. You can learn and have knowledge with, but wipe coding is okay. Like consume, I mean, it won't waste your time, just your thoughts and you and your AI. So that's all, guys. I'm sorry for keeping the session very in short span. I guess I'm not okay. Yeah, but I can't, you know, neglect the streak. I have to post, so that's why I'm posting. I hope you guys don't mind. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video and comment if you have any questions, and follow me. I mean, subscribe my channel. It would be helpful for me to reach more. Yes.